Redondo Beach House by Peter DeMaria. Okay, now let's turn up the heat. What if I told you that one of the coolest modern homes in California was built from 8 shipping containers? Meet the Redondo Beach House, a stunning 2-story home designed by architect Peter DeMaria. And let me tell you, it's a total showstopper. Now this isn't just some experimental home tucked away in the woods. Nope. This beauty stands right in the heart of Redondo Beach, California, blending industrial style with sleek modern architecture. The best part? It was actually one of the first shipping container homes to get a United States building permit, meaning it paved the way for other container homes to go mainstream. Inside, the design is a perfect mix of raw and refined. Imagine high ceilings, open spaces, massive glass windows, and steel beams that give it a bold industrial aesthetic. But here's the twist. It's super cozy too. The container walls were insulated so well that the home stays cool in summer and warm in winter, proving that shipping containers aren't just for cargo anymore. But why use shipping containers at all? Well, apart from looking insanely cool, they make the home stronger, more durable, and more eco-friendly. Plus, because it's made from upcycled containers, it reduces waste and promotes sustainability, all while delivering a high-end luxury living experience. So what do you think? Would you live in a modern industrial-style container home right by the beach? Or is this too out of the box for your taste? Let me know.